Now, let me continue this problem. Next question D is G of n is x of 2 minus n. So again, the easiest way to do is, we know that x of minus 4 is minus 4, x of minus 3 is minus 3, all these values you know. Now here we are asked to find out what is x of 2 minus n. So you should put different values for 2 minus n and find what comes when minus 4 comes. So when will 2n minus 2 minus 1 be minus 4? When 2 minus n is minus 4, that means minus, if I multiply both sides by minus 1, then it becomes minus 2 plus n equal to 4. N is 6. So when n is 6, 2 minus n becomes minus 4. So when n is 6, so when it become minus 3, that means 3 plus 2, 5. So when n is 6, 6 corresponds to, maybe you can write, tablet it to make it easy. You tablet it, it will become very easy. So, so you need values for minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when will it become minus 4? This x is, n is 6. Here n is 5. Then 4. Then 4. Then 3. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is, sorry, 1 plus 2 is 3. 0 means n is 2. Then what it is 1, it becomes minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 2, then minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus 2. So for 6, you know, x of minus 4 is minus 4. So this is x of, this is minus 4, minus 3, minus 4, same as this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 6, 1, so you need only 0, minus 1, minus 2. So for minus 2, it is plus 4. Minus 1, it is plus 3. 0, it is 2. And 1 is same as 1. 2, it is 0. 3, it is minus 1. 4, it is minus 2. 5, it is minus 3. 6, it is minus 4. This is x of 2 minus 3. Now, what is the next question? X of n by 2, if n by 2 is integer, otherwise it is 0. X of n by, what is x of n by 2? So you put n. n's value, n by 2 can take values what? Can take values -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n can take values -8, -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's very simple. So for -8, it will be, the value will be -4. For this is -8. For -6, it will be -3. -4, it will be -2. -2, it will be -1. 0 will be 0. +2, it will be 1. +4, it will be 2. +6, it will be 3. +7, it will be, +8, it will be 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is x of n by 2. Next, x of n multiplied by del of n. So del of n has value only at n equals 0. So it is very simple. X of n is also 0 at 0. So if you multiply both, you will get only value at 0. So it's actually nothing, 0. X of n x into del of n minus 3. Del of n minus 3 is existing only at n equal to 3. N equal to 3, what del of n minus 3 is 1 when n equal to 3. So x of n, that means you have to multiply this by del of n minus 3. Del of n minus 3 is 1 when n equal to 3, otherwise it's 0. So we just have to take at the value at 3. That is, so here it will have only one value at 3. 3, and whatever x of n is there at that time is there. So that is actually next, x of n into u of n plus 2 minus u of n minus 2. U of n plus 2 is starts from -2. U of n minus 2 starts from 2. So if you subtract both, that means you have u of n plus 2 minus u of n minus 2 is actually u of n plus 2 starts from -2. -2, you have -1, you have 0, you have 1, you have 2. Like u of n minus 2, and it goes to infinity. U of n minus 2 starts from this and goes to infinity. If you subtract both, only this will go and you'll have only these two. So you'll have values at -2, -1, 0, 1. The two onwards get cancelled. This multiplied by x of n. X of n is having values from -4 to 4. So you will take only values from -2 to 1. So it will be, actually it will be, draw it. -2, -1, 0, and 1. Only these will be there. Remaining will get cut because this u of n plus 2 minus u of n minus 2 is 0 beyond minus 2 and after 1. Okay, thank you.